The drill instructor took the new recruits for shooting practice at 5 a.m. The instructor required the new recruits to fire all bullets in the magazine within 1 minute. The new recruits thought it was very simple, but when they arrived at the shooting position, they found that the firearms needed to be reassembled. By the time they finished assembling the guns, only 30 seconds were left. When they pulled the trigger, they found the sights weren't calibrated. It was hard for the bullets to hit the target. After the first round of shooting by the new recruits, 9 recruits fired 150 bullets, but only 22 bullets hit the target. One new recruit said it was impossible to assemble the gun and hit all bullets on the target within a minute in such poor visibility. The other new recruits agreed with him. The instructor said, "Just because you can't do it doesn't mean others can't." The instructor was about to ask a veteran to come up for a demonstration. The new recruits wanted the drill instructor to give it a try. Noticing that the visibility was better than before, the instructor quickly assembled the gun with his back turned. Then he fired at the target. Every bullet hit the target. The new recruits were shocked by the scene. The bullet holes on the target were also mostly centered. The new recruits understood the gap between themselves and the instructor.